Okay, our last page is solving systems by elimination. So if you recall, when we did this, what we want to do first, which is I already have it all done for you, is to line up our two equations, putting x's on top of x's, which those two are, y's on top of y's, which those are. So we're all set in that fashion. Then, once you do that, we are adding these two equations. We want to see if any of the x's or the y's, when we add them together, will cancel out or go to 0. So remember, these x's both have a 1 in front of them. So 1x plus 1 is x is 2x. And then these y's both have a 1. So 1y minus 1y is going to cancel out. So that will go away. So it will go to 0. And then 9 plus 1 is 10. So this problem, we're lucky enough that the y's canceled out. If you continue on, 11 and 12 will be done in the exact same way, and that they're already set up that either x's or y's will cancel out, which will then cause you to continue on and be able to solve the problem easily. If we go on 13 through 15, you have to figure out what to multiply them by in order for either the x's or y's to cancel out. So I'm going to skip down and do number 14 with you. So we know that we want either the x's or y's to cancel out. Remember back in class, we just put parentheses around both sets of equations, and we took the number that was in front of this variable, this letter, which was 2, and brought it up here. And then we did the same thing. We took the number that was in front of this variable, which is x, and put it, 1, and put it down here. Now, if we did that, still neither of the x's or y's would cancel out, because remember, either the 2 or the 1 has to be negative. Doesn't matter which one, because one of them has to be negative in order for an x or y to cancel out. So we're going to put them 2, make it negative. So we're going to multiply everything in the top equation by negative 2. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Then you do the bottom just by 1. So if you multiply everything in the bottom just by positive 1, everything would just stay exactly as it was. So I'm just bringing that equation over. Now, just like we did in the previous problems, you're going to add these two equations. The whole point of multiplying by negative 2 and 1 was so either the x's or the y's cancel out. If you see negative 2x plus 2x causes the x's to go away to 0, which is exactly what we wanted. Now negative 2y plus 3y is 1y, and then 2 plus 0 is 2. So right now we have that y equals 2. Remember that a solution set has both is a point and it has both the x and the y. So we have y. We now have to solve for x. So you can plug in that y equals 2 into either equation. Again, I'm just going to use the top equation. You could do it in the bottom one if you wanted. This is equals negative 1. I'll just rewrite that. Plug in 2 for y. And you just go through and solve for x. So I subtract 2 from both sides. X equals negative 3. So now I have my solution set of negative 3, 2. That's x, that's y. We already used the top equation in order to solve for x. So now I am going to use the bottom equation in order to check it. So when I go through and check it, I'm going to plug in my negative 3 for x and my 2 for y. And it should equal 0. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 3 times 2 is 6 equals 0. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. And 0 equals 0. So it does in fact check out. So that is how you have to do 13 and 15 also. Both equations have to be multiplied by something in order to cancel out either the x or y. If you have any questions about any of this, please contact any one of us.